Though dogs persist in barking at the moon's business is not to answer the dogs or to waste strength placating them, but simply to shine. The man who strives or succeeds is sure to be criticized. Is he therefore to abstain from all effort? We are responsible for our own lives and cannot regulate them according to other people's ideas. Whoso would be a man, says Emerson, must be a nonconformist. I always argue that a man who does about the best he can is plenty good enough to suit this lower mundane institute. No matter if his daily walk is subject for his neighbor's talk, and critic minds of every whim just all get up and go for him. It's natural enough, I guess, when some gets more and some gets less, for them uns on the slimmest side to claim it ain't a fair divide, and I've knowed some to lay in wait and get up soon and set up late to catch some feller they could hate for going at a faster gait. My doctrine is to lay aside contentions and be satisfied. Just do your best, and praise or blame that follers that counts just the same. I always noticed great success is mixed with troubles more or less, and it's the man who does the best that gets more kicks than all the rest.